Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. This is to do with the Chinese diesel heater front control panel. This one's from my diesel heater from the shed, and it's getting to a point that I can barely read the display. It's got so dim. I watched another video on YouTube and he showed a way of refixing them, so I'm going to have a go at repairing mine, and it's by adding a new LED to illuminate the screen. I can't show you it as it is currently because this is obviously this heater is part built into the shed, although it's portable. So I've just unplugged the control panel, going to fit the new LED, and then I'll attach it back in the shed. And it should look like new, providing this modification works or repair. Now, to take the case apart, you use a cheap knife and you put it under the edge of this sort of screen bezel, and it's just stuck on, and you peel it back and it comes off clean. It's actually glued on, and underneath there's 4 Phillips or crosshead screws, and I'm going to remove those using the right size screwdriver, which is this one, and then I should be able to have a look at the interior, the guts of the unit. And once the 4 screws are removed, which actually go through there, so you peel the front fascia off, take 4 screws out, you prise the case apart, and they come apart in 2 sections, and the knobs fall out. I've lost one on the floor somewhere, I'll have to go hunting for it in a minute. And then this is a control panel. This little thing sitting out here is the room temperature sensor. It senses the temperature in the room where the control panel is obviously fitted. It's quite a complicated control panel actually. It's very badly soldered here, very badly soldered, but I'm going to have to alter that in a minute anyway. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to fit an extra LED to illuminate the back panel. Now I'm just in the process of fitting an LED. There's the LED I'm going to use, just there. Hopefully you can see it. I've had to cut a bit of the plastic away, just there. There was like a little lip on the cover, and I've had to cut the wires, and because the wires are so badly soldered, I'm going to have to strip them back and do it properly. It's not an easy trick to do. I've copied this idea from another YouTuber, and I think his video is better than mine, so I'll put a link to it. But it'll be interesting to see if it does make an improvement on mine to how bright the display is, because it's pathetic. Okay, got the dropper resistor mounted on the back with the 2 wires coming across to the LED here. I think I might have put a little bit of black tape on here, and yeah, and the housing, I don't know what you could see, just there, there's a little clip thing, piece of plastic, and I had to take it out on this side so it all fits in. And we'll roughly put the case on and see if it works. Oh wow, what a difference. I can actually see the display. God, that's really good. Will it work? Looks like it. quite dark in the shed, but it's made a lot of difference.